Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best windproof clothesline is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for anyone who loves to dry their laundry outdoors, especially in breezy conditions. Imagine stepping out to your clothesline only to find your freshly washed garments scattered across the yard, tangled and possibly dirty, all thanks to a sudden gust of wind. This common frustration can be a thing of the past with the right windproof clothesline, designed to keep your clothes securely in place, saving you time, effort, and the disappointment of rewashing. Number 5. Retractable Clothesline Heavy-Duty Laundry Line. Setting up your new clothesline is a breeze. It installs in just minutes with all the necessary hardware included, perfect for any room. This retractable line is designed to save you space. It keeps your living areas tidy, making it ideal for apartments or smaller homes. Need more drying space? It extends up to 14.1 feet, easily accommodating towels, linens, and even delicate items. Save on energy bills by air drying your laundry. This method also helps to protect your fabrics from damage. Use it anywhere you need it, indoors or out. It's perfect for drying wet towels, bed sheets, or gym clothes. Its modern stainless steel housing complements any decor. It looks great in laundry rooms, bathrooms, or on balconies. When not in use, it retracts instantly. Enjoy a clean, minimalist look that hides away neatly. What we like? This retractable clothesline is incredibly easy to install and saves valuable space. If you live in an apartment or RV and need a tidy laundry solution, this is the one for you. Its modern design also ensures it looks great in any room. What people say? The clothesline is very sturdy and holds a lot of clothes without sagging. It is easy to set up and take down, and the length is adjustable. The windproof design keeps clothes from blowing away, even on a breezy day. Number 4. 2-pack portable clothesline with 12 clothespins. This clothesline is made from a strong, multi-strand elastic rubber band. It's durable and can be stretched up to 12 feet, making it long enough to hold plenty of clothes for drying. Securing this clothesline is simple with its 2 strong metal hooks. You can attach it almost anywhere, providing instant drying space whenever and wherever you need it. It features positioning beads that keep your clothes separated. This prevents bunching due to weight or wind, ensuring a more effective drying process. This portable line is perfect for drying a variety of items like socks, undergarments, and towels. It's ideal for both outdoor and indoor use, making it incredibly versatile. Weighing only 7 ounces, it's lightweight and portable. You can easily pack it in your backpack, taking up minimal space, which is great for travel and home use. What we like? This portable clothesline comes with 12 clips and an anti-slip design to keep your clothes in place. If you travel frequently or need a quick drying solution for your backyard or balcony, this stretchy elastic line is perfect. Its portability makes it ideal for any situation. What people say? The clothesline is very sturdy and holds a lot of clothes without sagging. It's incredibly easy to set up and take down, making it perfect for travel. The windproof design really works. My clothes don't blow away even on windy days. Number 3. Foshine 3-pack portable clotheslines. Introducing the Foshine 3-pack clotheslines, your perfect companion for drying clothes anywhere. Each line is 1.64 feet long and comes in blue, pink, and green. Tired of clothes sticking together? Our unique grid and partition design prevents this, ensuring your laundry dries more effectively, even on windy days. Don't worry about heavy, wet clothes. This clothesline is built to last and can hold multiple loads without breaking or falling. Setting up is a breeze with the included stainless steel hooks. It's incredibly convenient for everyday use and outdoor adventures. Its portable and tangle-free design makes it ideal for camping, travel, dorms, balconies, and backyards. Enjoy hassle-free drying wherever you go. What we like? Featuring a unique windproof grid design, this clothesline prevents clothes from clinging together. If you need a durable and effective drying solution for both home and outdoor adventures like camping, this 3-pack is an excellent choice. It's built to handle wet clothes without breaking. What people say? The clothesline is windproof and keeps clothes from blowing away. It is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of laundry. The length is adjustable, making it versatile for different drying needs. Number 2. ALINNA 3-pack Windproof Clothesline. This product is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's lightweight and versatile, making it ideal for travel, camping, or simply hanging clothes at home without a permanent installation. Its special grid and partition design makes it windproof. This prevents clothes from clinging together, ensuring more effective drying. Using it is very easy thanks to the 2 stainless steel hooks. This makes it convenient for daily life and outdoor activities. These are strong and durable clotheslines with a large capacity. They can hold enough weight for wet clothes and sheets without falling or breaking. It is portable and easy to store, avoiding any twisting or knotting troubles. Take it anywhere you need to dry your clothes. Use it in your garage, basement, or even hotel rooms. It's a great solution for drying winter coats, large sheets, or your everyday laundry. What we like? This windproof clothesline with partition dividers ensures optimal drying by keeping clothes separated. If you're looking for a versatile and durable option for indoor or outdoor use, especially for camping or home, this 3-pack is ideal. Its adjustable nature makes it suitable for various locations. What people say. The windproof clothesline is a great addition to my laundry setup. It's very sturdy and holds clothes securely, even on windy days. I love how easy it is to use this clothesline. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for camping or travel. The design is clever and practical. The clips are strong and don't damage delicate fabrics, and the length is adjustable to fit different spaces. Number 1. 6-pack Travel Portable Clothesline. You will receive 6 pieces of travel clotheslines, each about 16.4 feet long. This ample quantity is perfect for your daily drying needs, especially when you need to dry more clothes. Crafted from durable nylon, these lines are strong and reliable. They can hold your laundry securely, ensuring your clothes dry well without falling. Each line features stainless steel hooks at both ends. These make installation simple on various surfaces and allow you to easily adjust the length as needed. Designed with convenient partition dividers, these lines keep your clothes spaced apart. This ensures better air circulation and allows sunlight to reach more of your garments for faster drying. These versatile lines are not just for clothes. You can also use them to hang paintings or other decorative items. Their practical design makes them suitable for various indoor and outdoor settings. What we like? You get a generous 6-pack of these stable nylon clotheslines, perfect for ample drying space. If you need a reliable and long-lasting solution for drying clothes indoors or outdoors, especially for home or camping, this is a fantastic value. The adjustable hooks make installation a breeze. What people say. The clothesline is windproof and stays in place. It is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of laundry. The length is adjustable, which is convenient for different drying needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.